Because I know my TikTok was not getting banned also because I know my TikTok got misconfiguration. Oh, and it has to get the Google Play Store to what's that? Update because it's crashing your Androids and app. All right. This is one thing I reminder to Danmar Dayaw. Danmar, whether if you like Bongbong Marcos, that is your opinion. And please, Danmar, don't just stop accusing anyone who are anti-Marcos. Don't argue them. If those people are anti-Marcos, me I am anti-Marcos. Oh, even even Mang Rodelio Daguman, Jens Manaid, Bill Galang, oh, even Jens Manaid's parents, also his family members, they are anti-Marcos. All right, they are. I praise Jens Manaid, his brother Alan Manaid, even his sisters of Jens Manaid. They are anti-Marcos because they study in UP Diliman. UP is an anti-Marcos, Danmar. You don't know what you're doing. Oh, me, I study about political science. Oh, I study, you remember Extraordinary Attorney Wu? Oh, she knows about politics. Attorney Wu is just like Carl Vilus. Oh, she knows about the politics. Oh, I say again, Danmar, everyone are anti-Marcos. Oh, everyone. Do you remember my relative, Ate Mirasol? And also Kuya Dong and and Kuya Percival when they were children yet, when they're still kids during the time of martial law of Marcos Sr. Because I know Nanay Baby and Tatay Delpin, they experienced martial law of Marcos Sr. You see, my relative Tatay Delpin was beaten by Marcos Sr.'s Philippine Constabulary, and he was realized that he protesting against Marcos Sr. Tatay Delpin voted Sergio Osmeña Jr., who was a political opponent of Marcos Sr. Oh, because he voted Sergio Osmeña to make Philippines to be a Tiger Asia and no corruption. Oh, and now you see, my relative Tatay Delpin was a victim of martial law of Marcos Sr. Oh, because he was a victim. Oh, Kuya Dong was still a kid in 1974. He was 7 years old. Oh, while Ate Mirasol is uh, um, 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 was 3 years old. Oh, she was born 1972. She was 3 years old by 1974. Oh, that is experience of the Marcos authoritarian dictatorship. In 1978, oh, you remember Mang Rodelio Daguman? He was born 1978. Oh, and he was in year 1986 when he was 8 years old. He experienced EDSA People Power 1. Oh, when Mang Rodelio Daguman experienced EDSA People Power 1, and I interview with Mami Ellen Olea, that is showing unity. Magkaisa. Oh, in EDSA People Power 1, there is showing unity, peace prayer vigil with Catholics, Muslims, Christians, and most of the Judaisms who were Filipinos. Oh, they prayed themselves to not attack all the civilians. When I interview with Mami Ellen Olea, she said in Tagalog, yung mga sundalo hindi dapat ibaril, dapat magkaisa. When I heard about Juan Ponce Enrile says, we show the unity of the Filipino people. When Fabian Ver says the loyalty of Marcos Sr. Says, don't open fire the civilians. They will get massacred. They will be happen in East Germany. Some civilians they massacre. We don't want to be happen a bloodshed. And as you can see, before the time, Fabian Ver says, we don't want to be happen to the of the time of the Tiananmen Square, in China they massacre people, because I know Fabian Ver doesn't want to massacre the people who were Filipinos. They show unity in 1986. Because in 1986, EDSA People Power, Danmara, if you don't know what is in history, even you, Sangkay Janjan. And you see what happened of Marcos Sr. He was ousted. He left in Hawaii. He left the Philippines. He stayed there in Hawaii. And eventually, Cory Aquino was installed as a new president of the Philippines. When Cory was a president, you see the Philippines, it's a better future and better democracy. And you see Cory Aquino that she is an mother of democracy. She is the first female president of the Philippines, and we got two female president of the Philippines, Gloria Macapagal Arroyo and Cory Aquino. Because I realized Cory Aquino, she is a peacemaker. She is a mother of democracy. Do you know the time of Cory Aquino? She told the Filipino delegates in the United Nations, the Philippines recognized Palestine under by Cory Aquino. During the time of Cory Aquino, no oligarch by Marcos cronies. During the time of Cory Aquino, I remember the time of Cory. What? Where are we going?
Sa Stella. Why di nagdadi mo nga? Binati mo ba daddy mo?
Birthday?
Oo.
Oh yes, I know. He said yes. He knows already. Text him first. Okay, wait, I'll get underwear. Because this is a history. History is history. Because when I made this EDSA People Power 1, this is a remind to Sangkay Janjan and Dan Mardayo. I just remind both of you, enough about Marcoses. It is time to show unity, to fight against Marcos Jr.'s corruption. That's all.